Yes, so Sumfest a come. Kartel will get crowned. Adi, I know you rate me, because you know I rate you. Even though I resign as a cast selector, but I just give the advice here. Please use a band at Sumfest and leave out the tracks.
Okay, so Vybz Cartel in Germany. See a lot of comments, and this is what come to mind for me. Dancehall artists, yeah, in America and other place, the band thing will work. No, the track thing will work. When you go Europe, like Germany, where you use the reggae show, bands make a lot of difference. To me, I think scatter them need for think about the thing there when it come to the Germany thing. So little bands can enter the thing for make the man thing more, and him have to practice to use band to call.
And his team is making is that because Kartel has made it up the ladder and Kartel is booking for rapper money, right? I think that the best thing for Kartel's team to do is sit and take a breather and start to produce Kartel's show, right? So people can now feel like it's a show.
An experience.
An experience.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's a boss, Nando and I building, with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So, we have to talk about some topic we are spark in the media space. You know, the shows them going over the weekend with the whole artists them, and it was an amazing weekend for dancehall. We see Vybz Cartel in Germany. We see Mavado and Bounty Killer and the whole of them in New York, I do and so forth. And we see where Alkaline performing New Rules in Jamaica, Chillon. So, you know, we there for talk about some topic as it pertains to the artists them. You know, after the shows, a lot of topic was in the media space as it pertains to the linkage with Mavado and Alkaline. Some people are speculators say the linkage fall out, the artists them now link no more and so forth. I'm gonna see some clippings on social media where spark my attention and want to share it with you guys. I see a lot of people attack some things. And also, remember, there was a vlog once where I think CV put out and said some things. Him get a source reach out to him and make him know some things about the linkage between Mavado and Alkaline and so forth. But we really need for shed some light on the topic them. So me I go share it with you. I want to make sure so on like, subscribe and share, and make sure so hit that post notification bell so whenever I drop a content you guys can be the first to be notified. So before we jump onto the linkage between Vybz Cartel and Mavado and Alkaline, I want to share some videos with Uno as it pertains to Vybz Cartel now about the whole bands thing, because you know Vybz Cartel will be crowned at Reggae Sumfest, and a lot of people out here speculate also if Vybz Cartel will be using a bands at Reggae Sumfest. But I remember a point in time where Vybz Cartel went on an interview with, I think it was a vlogger who goes by the name of Brando Music Review, and he was saying that bands is not a dancehall thing, bands is a reggae thing. So it seems like Vybz Cartel won't be performing with a bands at Reggae Sumfest, but a lot of people are looking out to see Vybz Cartel perform with a bands, especially like Beenie Man fans, because they know the whole king debate with Beenie Man and Vybz Cartel will be crowned at Reggae Sumfest. So we have some clippings, and I saw a video with Irish and Chin stating that, you know, Vybz Cartel needs to perform with a bands, or Scatterburl and Vybz Cartel team should put in place either some props or some, you know, some stuff on the stage to give the fans them a great performance, because you know the performance with Vybz Cartel, because the other day a clippings was circulating in the media with Vybz Cartel voice having some issue on the stage, and you know a lot of people are say on a Vybz Cartel voice, and a lot of people are say at the sound system error. So me gonna play some clippings for you know. Want to stick around, don't move a muscle. Watch this.
And his team is making is that because Kartel has made it up the ladder and Kartel is booking for rapper money, right? I think that the best thing for Kartel's team to do is sit and take a breather and start to produce Kartel's show, right? So people can now feel like it's a show.
An experience.
An experience, right? Because let's be honest. honest, right? Everybody that's running off their mouth and talking about, say, Cartel done or Cartel can't do it again and Cartel this and Cartel that. When Cartel, if or when Cartel move from that spot, then nobody else now gonna say no. There's nobody else that's going to that spot. Cartel is an anomaly, bro. Cartel is an anomaly. Let's get it out there. Let's get it off your chest, right? So when you say, Cartel, boy, Cartel not gonna be able to do this next year. Cartel can't perform and Cartel can't do this. Mind you, just know set, right? The best thing for dancehall is for Cartel to stay a rich part in there. Keep the door open for the rest of the dancehall man them, and they work on making Cartel show an experience as opposed to what they're presenting now. You follow what I'm saying, Joe? But moving Cartel from his spot, Cartel's fall from grace is not in the best interest of dancehall right now. Because he's the one who has helped to spark this whole thing that's happening right now. Let's be honest. So those of you who are talking about, Cartel, Sister Cartel, there's this thing that's happening in Germany now where they say that he didn't perform well and Ray. And I see all of these things that people are saying on social media and then beating him on, $1 million on Listen, I'm not saying that they're wrong. I'm not saying that they're right. I am saying this. Cartel's fall from grace is not a good thing for dancehall right now, Drew. Cartel, I want to do a woman for the whole away, right? His team or the industry, our industry needs to pressure him and say, brother, produce your show.
Shut it down for a minute.
Yes, get some dancers, get some type of distraction going on that damn stage. Get some graphics. You guys are making enough money to invest in the show and make it an experience, because if they don't make it an experience, right, eventually it's going to slow down. Cartel slows down, right, it is going to make it hard for everybody that's trying to get into those arenas.
So yeah, viewers and subscribers, that's what Irish and China said. But I have a video with Vybz Cartel stating that him not use bands. Bands are reggae thing. Bands are not dancehall, because back into the 90s and the 80s, the artists, the big artists, from them time, the big dancehall artists, from them time, them go up on sound clash, sound and play and turn the sound system and so forth. So I'm going to play a clippings with Vybz Cartel and state to him and say, I'm not really, I go say much away him and say, because I not fully get what him say, but I got play it for him. But what I got say is pertaining to what Irish and China say. Yeah, him have an idea with what him say, but you have to understand. Vybz Cartel a legend in a dancehall. We can't take that from him. And people may come in at the comment section and say, yo, we are 8 from Vybz Cartel, or Vendetta fans them are 8 from Vybz Cartel. No. Rivalry is a part of dancehall, and it pushes the artists them even more for the better, and it keeps the thing going. It keeps the momentum with the artists them. Who do not see no artists with now have a fan base, nobody now call them name. Any artists in a dancehall who don't have a fan base, nobody now really call them name, because they don't have a movement behind them. Nobody now push them. So with the artists them having them fan base and the rivalry are push between the Gaza, the Gully, the Vendetta, whichever it be, it will push them, and it will build the momentum for the artists them. So me I gonna play the clippings with Vybz Cartel a talk for Uno and make Uno hear what him say in one interview where him have with I think it was Brando. Him have an interview with Brando and him say something. So me I gonna play it for Uno, all on the viewers and subscribers.
Which is the next thing where a lot of people have it's a topic of discussion. Tracks are nothing wrong. Over the years, remember we all in the say, yeah, reggae the big brother, dancehall in background sound system and tracks. But because reggae was the dominant force locally at the time, dancehall was adhere to the rule. So dancehall artists jump and bands and it becomes part of the culture. But the origins of it around the sound and trap. You understand them? But a selector does split the record and start DJ, and so the fuck set a DJ them forward up. That's why in America they place what them call selectors. DJs.
Fox.
See? So the origin of it, that's why them call with DJ to this day.
Viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about what Vybz Cartel said. I'm going to play it over again for you to understand, because it probably play too fast. But tell me what you think in the comment section. What you think Vybz Cartel mean about him not using bands, or bands is a reggae thing and not a dancehall thing. Because watch this, viewers and subscribers. Reggae Sumfest is around the corner. A lot of artists that is booked for Reggae Sumfest are going to use bands Vybz Cartel will be crowned the king of dancehall. Is it safe to say that Vybz Cartel doesn't need a bands and all the other younger acts or all the other superstars needs to use bands, or because Vybz Cartel is superior that he doesn't need to use a bands? You guys let me know in the comment section what you guys think, because I can say that Beenie Man fans won't sit well for Beenie Man fans to know that another person will be crowned king after Beenie Man is Beenie Man's work in dancehall, being that him use bands, him do everything, him dominate the space from Fiend time. Now is Vybz Cartel time. I can agree with that, but it probably would look away, and I know a lot of people will come out and talk after seeing that Vybz Cartel not using a band at Reggae Sumfest. That's if he's going to use it. So me can't predict the future. I don't know what it's going to be like, but a lot of Vybz Cartel fans are saying that Vybz Cartel doesn't need to use a band, or bands are foolishness in the need for use bands. So may I play over back with him, say people. Listen to what Vybz Cartel has said, viewers.
This is the next thing where a lot of people have I mean, it's a topic of discussion. Tracks that, and nothing wrong. Over the years, remember, we all in the film say, yeah, reggae the big brother, dancehall around sound system and tracks. But because reggae was the dominant force locally at the time, dancehall was adhere to the rule. So dancehall artists jump and bands, and it becomes part of the culture. But the origins of it around the sound and track. You understand? Remember, a selector just split the record and start DJ, and so the first set of DJ and forward up. That's why in America they play what them call selectors. DJs.
Fox.
See? So the origin of it, that's why them call with DJ to this day.
Yeah, viewers and subscribe. That is Vybz Cartel saying what I'm saying. Uno make me know what you think in the comment section. But me have another clippings with some other viewers. I shed them light on the old Vybz Cartel thing. Me have Nico Fire yes up. Phone me I go play it phone. Me couldn't hear what Nico Fire have to say about Vybz Cartel using a bands. Because a lot of people want to see Vybz Cartel use a bands, which it would look good for say the artists are use a bands pan him stage performance. But listen where Nico Fire have to say, viewers and subscribers. Watch this.
Yes, so Sumfest a come. Kartel a get crowned. Adi, I know you rate me, because you know I rate you. Even though I resign as a cast selector, but I just give the advice here. Please use a band at Sumfest and leave out the tracks. Do that for your fans them at Sumfest. And you don't have to use rough cut, because I know rough cut them are play for a whole heap of artists. Most likely them are play for a whole heap of artists. So I feel like if you just link Killer and make Killer link you up on the bands them use for theme show in the Barclays, we're gone. Yeah man, work with the band them, something about the band we love. The youth them energetic and them young. Give them a run. Link Killer for the band them and have some one-on-one personal session with them. And come turn up with things, because the tracks thing now go work, brother. Just take my advice. You know you listen to me and may you good. Just take my advice. Work with a band at Sumfest. Work with a band at Sumfest. You see the difference when you have a band. Summer Jam, Shensi use a band. You see the difference in our performance. Being a man, you see the difference in them. You see the difference in them performance. I always talk about that. I always encourage you to use a band. From the time you come out and you show them, I say, Adi, use a band. I time now for you use a band. They are crown a king at Sumfest, so use a band. Alkaline keep no rules, and even though I tell the people them say a band them use and I be a track him that use, but him show them use a band, and the little boy go on good. The artists them are going good with the band. You are the king of dancehall, them are crowned the night then, use a band. And nobody call on Aisha up on the stage. The one next thing you have to do to just work. Just work. Nobody call on Aisha. So Scatter, Joe, TJ, Vybz Cartel team, and just take my advice.
So the Nico Fire adamant about what I say about the bands, and I agree with it. Vybz Cartel, being that he will crown the king of dancehall, he should use a band, but more people come out and say the same thing. Another person came out referring to the same thing, saying that Vybz Cartel should use a ban. Watch this, viewers and subscribers, don't move.
Okay, so Vybz Cartel in Germany. See a lot of comments, and this is what come to mind for me. When people talk about the performance, then say invites, then say the microphone, and you know, never the quality wasn't there. They never hearing, so like him screaming at the mic. So when they really talking with the mic and the system itself are banned. Dancehall artists, yeah, in America and other place, the band thing will work. No, the track team will work. When they go Europe, like Germany, where you use the reggae show, bands make a lot of difference. You understand what I say? Because when I watch Vegas, I say Vegas use tracks, but the bands back it up. Because that's how I think them listen to music in Germany. So to me, I think scatter them need for think about the thing there when it come to the Germany thing. So little bands can enter the thing and to make the man thing more. And I have to practice to use band because in them part of the world is a band thing. Trust me. So scatter them TJ will not have a band. Even back up the tracks. Because we see people play the tracks but the band deep a little pump because that's what they used to. You understand me? I say, and when you have to the mic check, somebody up there can hear the mic and know if the mic sound good or not. Because modern time now, mic have attitude and them thing there. We have to make the man voice sound more refined. So that a road manager work. So scatter will have to fix that thing there. That's my opinion.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, so a lot of people are very adamant about the band selection and our Vybz Cartel using a band, but we saw where he went to Amsterdam and him shell it down. Me not gonna take that from him. Him shell down Amsterdam. Him shell it down. Me give him the props for that. Definitely give him the props for that. But me I gonna make one of the viewers watch it and tell me what you think in the comment section. If you wanna share, if you wanna say yeah, him mash up Amsterdam. Watch this, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, that a Vybz Cartel in Amsterdam. I shell on the place. I shell the place and give him props for that. But me have on the other side of the topic though, people. Me have to say big up to Vybz Cartel for where I'm going with out there in the world. You know, dancehall is alive and well. And you know, all of the key players them in a dancehall. I make waves, but you know how it go already, man. Some of the time, we can't really go on with a little segregation thing and try go like wow. Overshadow or try go like hide other people's greatness. And over the years, we've seen it. A lot of people try to hide all of the other artists and greatness. But you know that Vybz Cartel, they are road now. Everybody they on top, everybody they on them A game and do what they have to do. The Alkaline, the Mavado, the Beanie Man, the whole of them, everybody do them things. So, I could shed some light on the things we hear talking in the media now. A lot of people are say Mavado and Alkaline linkage gone. Me no know what I go on there, so me want to know what really I go on there, so viewers and subscribers. But listen to the clippings here. Me I go play one clippings for you so you can hear what somebody has said. Listen to this.
So about 7 months ago, people, me get a link. When I G them, where in the link me and the G, I say, boy, I think I go on in a bro. Me I say, hey, man, I say, boy, dog, them not 200 right now in a bro. I like a riff go on, me say, what go on? Man, I make me know say watch another Kartel I try a thing in a bro. Kartel I try a mash up a man them. So me I say, what you talk about? Man, I say, yo, Kartel have a link for free up Dante in a bro. But it's like Kartel want Alkaline for you don't know, bow down. Well, not necessarily say bow down, but want him to come at the Freedom Street or, you know, to make the link. You know what I say? So basically, it's like, what the man I say is that Mavado come to Alkaline and I say, yo, bro, G, yo, I go on. I want you to make a link with Kartel. So all we can make a link and all we can go and Dante can walk. You see me I say? That was where me hear from them time there. What the warrior did I tell me say at the time is that Alkaline I said to Vado, say, yo, I go on, brother. Right now, if money you need, any money, any amount of money, me forward any amount of money for help free Dante. Bro, your son that anything me can do. But me now put my career Kartel foot. Me now bow down to Kartel. Me now make that link there, bro. You understand? Any amount of money for free up Dante, but me now make a link with Kartel. That was Alkaline stance where the Umbria tell me. You understand me, people? So, no, we know people. Hearsay, rumors, anything is possible. Maybe the G know what I'm talking about. Maybe the G was spot on 100%. I don't know. But them say, anyways, it's smoke, there is fire. Or something like that. If it no go so, it near go so. And clear as day, something obviously near go so. If not for nothing, it seemed like the man them now link like one time. If not for nothing, there is a rift. And everyone can see that there is a rift. Everyone can see there is a rift, right? Obviously, Mavado go link back with Kartel. I want to see my link with Alkaline, so everybody attack. Tongues are walk left, right, and center. So clearly, there is some form of rift. Secondly, yeah, Dante free. So Kartel and Mavado make the link back. That's a 1, and Dante free. That's a 2, and 3. Alkaline and Mavado seem to not be linking. So everything kind of connect up to make that story there look like say it goes so for real.
Viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think in the comment section, you know, cause for me can't speculate. It is allegedly, but you know we are bringing forth the news to honor the viewers. But for me can't say yeah, me not see Mavado and Alkaline really a link up. We not see, you know, we not see nothing. But even though Mavado still a follow Alkaline, but we not see no linkage and you know the speculation I get heavier and heavier. People are say, yo, Mavado and Alkaline stop link and ray. So, me have another clippings also with another Umbre. I say some things and it look like I same thing where CV, did I say, you know, the vlogger god CV. So, listen what the Umbre I say, viewers and subscribers. Boy, something me now. And me no want to be the one for break it too, no, but something something. Because me no know when me attack say, but me just a bring for the news too. Now listen this.
Yo, you know what I feel so one of the main reason why Mavado lift up and run such man is because such man don't want to deal with nobody. Him just antisocial and Mavado not.
Let me say this. Most of the people who are come out and attack, nobody is saying allegedly. And this is to get it out there. Allegedly, because none of we don't know where we know via chat. So this Umbre upon the screen attack and him attack like him know where going or him know Mavado or Alkaline. So he's saying that Mavado cut from run Alkaline. So listen what I say, people.
Man, that's something like that. The man see which part of the music I go right now. And for him just say yo, he must segregate himself by aligning himself with such man. He knows say yo that will be a detriment. More detrimental to him career because as I say, enough producer now use a man there, enough people now book him for show. You get me I say nah, bro. Mavado is not an antisocial person, dog. And for you probably an antisocial person, that will just rub off on you over a period of time. And that the man depends. So the man have to go to one and leg of that man there. The man even have big him up on the stage show, the man now big him up on nowhere. The man them totally just say, yo, I hate that now park as the man not like you know like it at their own RG and the man just try brainwash you try to say yo that man is not good enough and that brother they not good enough sister.
What I want to know though, viewers and subscribers, how people like them when they're around the people them, the artists them, know all of them things yeah, and make conspiracy theory out there in the public, not knowing that them are paint a bad picture upon the artist them. And you know, this guy right here on your screen is a Gaza man, so however them can use anything for paint about Alkaline, they're going to paint it and say the artist this, the artist that, but they don't know about the artist. You have to remember, you know, Alkaline is an artist who coming out business, the dancehall business, and when he came into the dancehall space, he was getting a fight And the fight is not just musical. The fight is a real fight out there where try to stop the youth career, try to paint a picture saying the youth are do this and the youth are do that and the youth are living at this manner style yeah, and rare, but not knowing that the fight where youth are get, it never was given to someone else but only him. So if the youth tell himself, say, yo, me I gotta separate myself from that side of people or me no want to affiliate with that side of linkage there, them people there. Fine, nothing wrong with that because it's a real thing and I like say a fake hatred them have against the youth or a try for fake bring down them a try for bring down with the artist. It is a real fight. So if the youth decide say yo me over here so me not in everybody you know me I do my thing, uno go and do the thing. Me not have nothing against uno but if uno do the thing, uno do the thing. But remember viewers and subscribers, Alkaline came into the dancehall space with getting a fight. So it's not like the fight was like fake. The fight never fake. It's something where everybody know about. So if the youth decide to say, yo, Ray, but this a brother here, I make conspiracy theory, allegedly, I say Mavado cut from around Alkaline and him now big up Alkaline pan a stage show and so forth. But me have the clippings of a play with for Uno with Mavado bigging up Vybz Cartel. But I don't know. Probably that's why I must say Mavado not big up Alkaline viewers.
Good and that promoter they know now use that promoter there now. I'm over there say but me can't make the man I was just busting at the game. I come tell me say yo, me can't this and me can't that and them man they want to link with them man, they want to link with them man and when them man they know when Mavado himself know say yo, them producer there, them promoter they give him the biggest show, them producer give him the biggest song them in their career. You get me I say? So him definitely can't stay around a person like that because him going to bring down himself too as well. Him going to bring down himself. So the man goes to mom and lift up from one them man because them man the dog, them man does the pana. Them man does, I don't know that, them man does commotion and they can't be an artist. Bro, the man fans them don't know nothing about him. Like, where in the world you hear that? The biggest superstar in the world, the fans them know everything about him. Michael Jackson, the Bob Marley, the Vybz Cartel. The biggest superstar them around the world, the fans them know everything about them, dog. This man doesn't know nothing about himself, he never know which primary school he used to go. He never remember how much subjects he have. Like, he don't know nothing about himself, so all the fans are disappointed, dog. So that's why Mavado take himself from around that type of person. Because it now help him career, it just, remember say one time, you're not Mavado in the dog. Remember the whole MVP thing with such man, Jamil and Father, you never really hear nothing about them, dog, because they want to try to brainwash, I think all them man them live up around the dog.
Viewers and subscribers, what I want to know, is it that Alkaline has this much power to control the artist from do what them want to do? I don't understand. The conspiracy theory is real. The way them are spread out here about Alkaline being this type of person where him no want him, the other artists them link with nobody or him no want the other artists them vice for anybody and so forth. The conspiracy theory where Gaza fans them have out here are say Alkaline controller of power over the artists them. It is hilarious. It is something that me never see before. So this brother here on the screen is a fellow Gaza member. And you know how Gaza man them go to work already. Them come out here, try to paint a bad light on Alkaline. And remember, viewers and subscribers, this is the media. And people will run with whatever them see in them face or whatever them hear. So this brother here I talk about things. I spread some light saying that Alkaline control Mavado, control Jamil or when there was MVP, Alkaline control it or Alkaline want the artists them do whatever they want to do. So me not understand what I got from Alkaline and Mavado linkage was that Alkaline rate Mavado and Mavado probably Mavado rate Alkaline and sister Alkaline are doing thing and sister him did I get a fight and whatever. But from my point of view or from my views, it no look like Mavado and Alkaline was that tight type of linkage where them link up every night, every day, them go out every night, every day, or them par 24/7. Alkaline has his linkage, Mavado has his linkage also. Them have them friendship from wherever them get them friendship from. But in my point of view, it never did look like say the linkage between them was like a tight. It was just a musical linkage. So me don't know. And as Mr. viewers and subscribers, me can't say when me no know because me not there on the man them for say what me I say. And this brother yeah clearly not there on Mavado and Alkaline fit I say what him I say. But you know it is always a thing where people like to paint a bad light on Alkaline, and for years it's been going on, but nobody not really come out and talk about it. And you know Alkaline now gonna be the person to come out and talk about certain things, and Mavado also now gonna be the person to come out and talk about certain things. But from what I see I go on, there is something brewing in the air. And me can't really talk about it because I don't know much about it. But there is something brewing in the air. And it is for us to watch and see what plays out. Can't really talk. We just have to say allegedly the linkage between the two artists them fall apart because we now see them a link with each other. And we see where Mavado link up with Vybz Cartel. Mavado said that Vybz Cartel is his brother. So I don't know, but me I go play another clipping for of viewers and subscribers with the Mavado concert with Mavado bigging up his brother Vybz Cartel. So let me play that clippings for you guys. Watch this, viewers and subscribers.
More big up Vybz Cartel. I'm a brother that. Don't buffalo. Yeah.
So you know Vybz Mavado big up him brother Vybz Cartel, which is for sure. Them are come from the same camp. You know, the alliance. So definitely them are big up them one of them and say them are brother. But you know, people out here are say because Mavado big up Vybz Cartel, him and Alkaline fallout. Him and Alkaline linkage is no more. So viewers and subscribers, you let me know what you think in the comment section. Share your thoughts and let me know what you think about that part because me no know. Me no know what go on in the dancehall. People, a bag of conspiracy are going on. But listen, that clippings, I see them splice that clippings I say, Mavado, this Alkaline or Alkaline, this Mavado. Viewers and subscribers, watch these clippings. Boy, crazy world we live in now, man. Watch out. So it look like something are going on. It look like something are going on, and as me say, me can't be the one to come out and talk about it because I don't know nothing to be talking about anything. But a lot of conspiracy out here, a lot of talk and make a lot of people. Now, me have another clippings to play for Uno with a brother who goes by the name of Kevin. And Kevin is saying that Alkaline no want to take no bookings with no dancehall artists. And me want to listen this and tell me what you get from this. Because as I said, viewers and subscribers, conspiracy. And them not gonna stop you do conspiracy because them attack and them don't know what them attack. So watch this.
I say something when I make him own video. The man say, if them try charge the price when me charge, them are gonna dead for hungry. What the man say wrong? What the man say wrong? That more know when say wrong. Whose artist can charge him price? Who are charge at the price and get it? The man say we're not gonna dead for hungry for to try it. And that the man say, you know, the man don't call no name, you know, but you automatically put Alkaline. Okay, can Alkaline charge at the price? Alkaline not even charge no price, because Alkaline keep him on, show them. New rules is Alkaline shows. Oh, he's not taking no shows. Why? He's antisocial. Labas. They put a show in one of them Caribbean here. The promoter try to book Alkaline. You know what Alkaline said? He never go on the stage with them boy. So I have a problem with the Jamaican artists them. He never perform on no stage with them. So who you? You're more than...
Viewers and subscribers, Alkaline is being hated all over again. This is like 2016 all over again. For years, they've been hating Alkaline and nobody not really come out and talk about it. The way how them speak heavily about Alkaline and speak down on Alkaline, you wonder in yourself and you say, yo, is it that them people are really hate Alkaline for him being himself? For him being antisocial, being to himself. Him not running to everybody. Like he stated in many of his songs, we over here so we not in everybody. So people need to understand say Alkaline is just Alkaline. And the hate with them have for Alkaline is just different. Where me see a go on in media, because you see how people speak adamantly about Alkaline and saying that him not this and him not that and him not want to link with this and him not want. Why them have a problem with Alkaline? Tell me, viewers and subscribers, why Dancehall have such a big, huge problem about Alkaline, with Alkaline? Listen to brother here, and you can hear how the hate he must spew out of his mouth and attack about Alkaline. If Alkaline doesn't want to do take a bookings where his apps is there, like he said in many songs, me and the apps them a link, you mad? Alkaline say him no link with the apps them, and these people don't like Alkaline for whatever reason. And one of the reasons that because him not really running to Vybz Cartel. Alkaline give Vybz Cartel his props by saying he's a great artist. He did what many different artists never do in a dancehall. Him respect him like him respect everybody else, but me don't know what them people want from Alkaline. Viewers and subscribers.
Abbas, how are you? You're not performing for stage with the artists, them brother. That's why you're not taking the bookings, because if you take any bookings, you're gonna have to perform with other artists, right? And now you pick and choose who you want to work with. Some artists will go kiss your ass. Because they know say them artists are not gonna shoot off for you.
Why panda kiss ass business? You see when I talk about viewers and subscribers, them people are delusional, them people are fool in a different way. Because listen what the man say now. When you listen what the man say, the man talk and say, oh, Alkaline a pick and choose who him want work with because him want them kiss him ass and one bag of foolishness. Come on, viewers and subscribers, this is another Gaza man, you know. One Kevin. Company media a spew all sort of madness out time mouth, cause all that come out time mouth a shit. The only thing will come out of this man is not a promoter, so I know all of them things have to come out and spread propaganda so people believe it and run with it. This is what builds more hatred for Alkaline, because every day someone else come out in the media, say some things about Alkaline when I go so, just because them want people go up against him, go against the artist for hate him. Me not understand.
You know you may go on the stage with Labas and Labas may step in your face. You bumbo clan. And that's why you have to mind your picnic.
Nobody, me doubt it, anybody can run up on a stage with Alkaline there. Them people must feel like the Alkaline and look a walk over type of artist. Even if the artist is a bad man, I can tell you now, the artist have a linkage, the artist have him team and him crew will back him. So people attack and them don't know them attacks the viewers and subscribers.
What Shibana feel? Don't mind Shibana picnic. Because Shibana come out and say, you breed him. We don't know how that one they work. But come on, Shibana picnic at a boy not a picnic. But anyway, Alka, now they know we're close to Addy. So we don't know why you want to keep on and make it look like the Alkaline, they anywhere close to Addy. Alkaline that's why they take bookings, bro. Look, Addy gone at one place, and the one place where Addy gone, I cover the whole of Alkaline lifetime money when ever making a music. Man gone to London, and the man do one tour, and the man will cover every dollar where Alkaline make in a one bumbuckler tour. Try that and beat the gun. Fuck out of here.
Viewers and subscribers, them man, let me tell you now, viewers and subscribers, they love to compare Alkaline to Vybz Cartel. Listen, the comparison should stop, because Vybz Cartel they in a dancehall business longer than Alkaline. Vybz Cartel is well renowned than a lot of these dancehall artists. So them comparing Alkaline to Vybz Cartel is ridiculous. That just proves to us that Alkaline is a force to reckon with. Alkaline is up there with the dancehall giants them. We have to understand, say, Alkaline is the youngest artist in a dancehall, you know. Alkaline is the youngest dancehall artist in a dancehall where I rub shoulders with all of them giants here. The Bounty, the Mavado, the Kartel, the Beanie Man. Look and check the statistics with every artist right now. Who are keep them big shows, who are sell out arenas, who are sell out stage show, who are sell out stadium, who are do it. the artists them, the Kartel, the Mavado, the Beanie Man, the whole of them, and Alkaline is up there with the giants them. This is why they like to compare Alkaline with Kartel. And another thing why them like compare Kartel with Alkaline is that them want to bring down Alkaline by saying that Vybz Cartel are do bigger than Alkaline, but them not even realizing that else say them a make a fool of themselves, because if you not compare Alkaline, that shows that Alkaline is doing something good. Now a brother run out on the whole thing where Kevin just did us about Labas and Alkaline, saying that them a book show together and Alkaline want to perform with them. So listen what the brother here say, viewers and subscribers. Cause me not understand why I go on a dancer.
From but that go a long time. Remember say Popcorn said not perform with TJ on the stage. How much artists we do that over the decades, and I never hear on the time about it. But that's Alkaline with that problem. Man, Spice with. You didn't know say Bounty they are trying to talk Kartel carry on him left alliance. You know say Kartel top Black Wine career when him left Blood now and Gaza. You don't know that. I don't never burn a fire upon that. And him a try to come make the men dry. I want the best them there. You know say Popcorn never perform with TJ on the stage, and many more artists in the dancehall business not perform with other artists. And not take no show with them enemy or work man. Bro, the man a hold him gun, bro, and the door make it look so. When they make it look like say a certain man alone can't stand them gun. When a man stand him gun, and not dick right like how certain man a dick right can't them want clothes.
Viewers and subscribers, brother say some things, you know. And definitely, what the brother say is that this has been going on for years. Enough artists now work where them apps they. Enough artists now take bookings with where them apps they. And knowing that Alkaline has so much rival in a dancehall, our enemies, our people when I like him, me not wrong the youth for not take certain bookings where certain artists are going to depend. But at the same time, look upon this. Alkaline was booked on a show with Bounty Killer. You know, see the man take the bookings, the man go to show and perform. Bounty Killer never run in upon the man. So me not understand with the facts of people come out and attack and say Alkaline nah take no bookings with people where I'm apps or whatever. But viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. Share your thoughts about this where I go on, because as me say, Alkaline is one to be hated. Them love hating. Me don't know why them hate Alkaline so much, but me stand aside as a big man and I watch the hate where the youth I get and see the youth I do great, but them fail to highlight it, but them like to highlight the hate where you might get. And the next thing, the rivalry in dancehall is a part of dancehall. But you know, we on a trajectory now where we are speak unity and want unity across the board. But the fact is that enough of them secretly are hate pan artists, and especially Alkaline. And the fans them also. You have some fans where are hate Alkaline, you know, literally are hate Alkaline. But viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think, you know. Share your thoughts in the comment section. You know already, a Vybz and Inside with Nando with another episode. I'm out.